Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go. Hey my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like good food, it's the place to be. Come and have a little fun with your girl KC. What's up my connectors? Welcome home. And welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing the 12 lobster tails and the Don't Wipe Your Mouth challenge. Now the challenge was brought back by Flavors by Dame Dash, and I was tagged, so thank you so much for thinking about me. I really appreciate it. So I have 12 lobster tails. I have Bloves Smackalicious sauce in the mild here. I have cranberry and cran-apple, sorry. I know you probably can't see it, but yeah, it's cran-apple. Now I have napkins here. So he said you can't wipe your hands and you can't wipe your mouth. So I have napkins right here. I think you're supposed to have the napkins by you. And what else you're not supposed to do? I don't know. Hopefully I don't do it. But wiping my hands won't be a problem. But if it get on my chin, I don't want to play no more. I don't like it on my chin. I don't want it running all down my chin. I don't want to play no more. I'm probably going to quit. We're going to go ahead and get started. So if you're new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So yeah, I'm home, y'all. I'm back home. Alright, so I know some of y'all gonna be like, I miss Alicia. I miss her too. So I'm here. Kiana, I've seen her one time. When your kids get grown, y'all, they're not trying to check for you and what you doing and where you at. I guess she missed me. She said, hey, Chad. But yeah, let me put some lemon all over these. Oops. Oh, that looks so good. Trying to get this one. Oof. Get the lemons out. Alright, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Why are my nerves up? I got this. Shout out to Sharika and Wani. They did it. Now watch me. Watch me. Nope. The power of the tongue. I got this. Alright. Can y'all see the sauce? Ooh, it's hot. Do y'all see that heat? I'm about to put that in my mouth. It's hot. I might just put it all in one time so I don't have to worry about the drip. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, that's good. Mmm. I'm about to choke, but don't worry about it. Let me chew it up. But yeah, everybody did so well. I don't want to fail. Ooh. All right, let's put a little lemon on it. I'll see the onions. Mmm. Don't make me laugh. We can have a mirror, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all know I keep a towel in my lap. Okay, I won't touch the towel. I'll be forgetting. I do like this, but wasn't nothing on my hands though. Cause some of y'all was already tripping about the what was the no sauce challenge? I mean, you had sauce on top of the shell, but I'm like, no problem, I'll do it over. Mmm. See, when it be hanging down like that, that's gonna get you. Hold on. Is that ain't cheating, child. That ain't cheating. Who made the rules? You gotta wait till it stops dripping. Looks delicious though. And it's hot. Oh, this gonna get me. Hold on. Mmm. These lobsters are good. I don't know if you can even see them, child. I was trying to tell you what I put on. Oh, I'm gonna leave my hands up here. I'm gonna put the towel on my lap so it doesn't hit the floor. There's no towel in here. We got rug. I just got back home. I ain't trying to get put out, okay? Trying to keep the happy home happy. Because I don't want y'all speculations. Well, some people's speculations. That something had to be wrong here to come true, so. Ooh. Mm-mm. 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 Mm-mm-mm. I'm probably cheating. They're so seasoned. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. That looks hot. Let me get all that. Ooh, put some lemon on. I heard you. Somebody said it. Somebody's like, put some. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I know somebody will be like, she eating too cute for me. I'm trying to eat cute. It's intentional. Hurry up. I feel like I gotta concentrate, y'all. Like I can't really talk to y'all and tell y'all what's going on. I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay? Oh, I got it turned the wrong way, I think. I might bite this one. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's good. I chopped the onions up big. I like them big. I really like them crunchy, but I heated the sauce up some more and it became really translucent. So, alright. 6 down. 6 to go. And they are delicious. I gotta learn how to cook the really big lobsters like this. That's the way I like it done. Like firm, not tough. Woo. Ooh. Oh, you can't. That was lip gloss. Ooh, guess you gotta leave it there. My bad. I know they're attacking me. No, Casey. You can't do that. Oh, let's put some of that. Ooh. Mm-hmm. One more. Two more. Put some of that Smackalicious sauce on top. Oh, I might do it again. Put the bake it in the Smackalicious. Okay. Let me concentrate. My bad. It tastes good with lime too if you haven't tried it. Excuse me. Hey, babe. Hey. You want to tell them hi? But they tell the connectors, because some of them thought something was wrong that I stayed at Leisha house.
Hey, what?
I said some of them thought that something was going on between us because I was at Leisha house.
Oh.
They thought you put me out.
No.
Tell them that you still love me.
I still love you.
I don't know. They thought it was because I stayed, I guess, a long amount of time.
Oh, how long were you gone?
I left on the 11th, and today is November 6th. See, he didn't even know I was gone that long. You and Keanu was bored without me?
No, Keanu's doing Keanu's working.
I know Keanu wasn't studying. You miss me though?
Miss these seafoods.
Told y'all. He missed me, but not the seafood. Boy, those smells. Cause he's vegan. I'm gonna do a vegan mukbang this week too.
Oh, okay.
What should I do? Vegan burger.
Man, it depends on how much time and effort you want to put into it.
Oh God, not them long recipes you do, babe. I don't have the patience. You are patient.
The recipes aren't long. I'm just making stuff in bulk.
Oh. I don't know.
Most of the recipes are simple. I mean, you could sweet potato sole. She has good recipes.
Okay, I'll look her up.
Sweetpotatosole.com.
Okay.
Matter of fact, her food got into Whole Foods.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all her. As a matter of fact, you might not even have to cook anything.
Just go to Whole Foods.
Yeah, you can. She said you can order it from Whole Foods.
Okay, I will.
They're doing, I think 4 or 5 of her recipes.
Okay. That'll make it easier.
Yeah. But you know, her she has the sweet potato pie.
Vegan?
Yeah. Remember I made it last year.
Oh. I just want to go buy it. I don't want to make it.
There's no vegan sweet potato pie you can buy. But the good thing about vegan sweet potato pie is it doesn't take as long as the other sweet potato pie because you don't have all the other stuff in it.
Oh, okay.
Well, the only thing you're really missing is the egg.
I'm doing good, y'all. I ain't mess up my little Walmart shirt. Who else got this Walmart shirt? You know the one that say nope? Is that nope? Yeah. Somebody else out there got a wild my shirt. We twins. Shout out to all my birthday twins though. Ooh. Should we take all this at one time? I'm almost at the finish line. I'm almost at the finish line. Hold on, let me start talking. Mm. 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 I think as soon as Dame started, he had wiped his mouth. I ain't saying nothing, Dame, because I go to talking and then I lost. So what other challenges was I tagged in? Some of y'all know. I know I gotta do the if you know that I was tagged in a challenge and I still haven't done it, I'm trying to do as many challenges as I can. Y'all let me know. Some of them are quick. Now some of them I just intentionally be like, nah man, I'm not about to get sick. But if you know I've been tagged and I know I gotta do the white t-shirt challenge. Actually I might do that tomorrow with the sauce, the white t-shirt challenge, because I'm doing actually very well. So I might do that one tomorrow with this sauce. With this sauce. So yeah, y'all let me know if I was tagged in some more challenges that I don't know about and y'all seen them out there in the YouTube streets. Y'all help me out. Help a sister out. Help your sister out. Alright, be quiet. Shh. I ain't trying to get cocky, but got but 2 left. And all I got is lip gloss on my chin. I can't even push my hair back because Alright, y'all. Ooh, I should keep it just like that. Hold on. Ooh, lemons in the front too. Ooh. Girl, if you take all that, you know you part of the elite. I'm just kidding. If I take all that, Last call. Last one. Here's to all the other challenges that I probably will be challenged on and probably will win. No, it ain't really, you don't have to win, you just can't wipe your chin. But I knew if it got on my chin, I was wiping it. I'm just gonna be very honest. Oh, look at that big old onion. Can you see it? Probably not. Ooh. I don't know why I make that noise when I'm digging that stuff out of here. Oh, first of all, it's stuff hot. I'm not gonna burn myself. Alright, so that's a good dig right there. I bet y'all say, I bet you won't put all that in your mouth. First of all. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna have to bite this in half, y'all. I don't think I can take all that out, because this is gonna drip. Well, even if it's dripping, it's the last video. So here we go, last bite, y'all. Can I wipe my hands now? That was delicious. Those are really good. Really, really good. That's the way I like them cooked. Just in case anybody was wondering. Ah, that's so good. Woo! The camera cut off, but I was already done eating because I forgot you can't edit the video either. Whew, hopefully I forgot you can't edit the video. But I don't think I did nothing crazy, so that's the end of that. That was fun. I will do the white t-shirt challenge tomorrow, since this is actually the first time. I don't know if that, I'm gonna see if I can show y'all my shirt. This is actually the first time I didn't get anything on my shirt. New month, new me. What's up? Alright, so thank you guys so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.